Hello there, and welcome to another video. Today, we're going to do something completely different. It's a sewing machine I bought before it went to scrap, and if I get lucky, today, I am gonna repair this old sewing machine with the help of 3D printing, and I hope I will stitch with it. You see, the design is very interesting. It is like a motorcycle, because it is a Zundapp. I think it was produced in 1951. Let's get started. Let's check now. The flywheel rotates easily, no problem. The bottom mechanism has a timing issue. Let's see what we will see. When the needle is in the bottom, it is pulling the fabric. We need to fix. Now, let's remove the top cover. A great mechanism. It's a very old belt, but still looks good. This gear has no belt. Let's remove the bottom cover. I think this gear will be linked with the electric motor. I need to find the belt which links the top mechanism with the bottom mechanism. But the problem is there are no replacement belts. This is not a standard to the pattern. The thickness is not standard. And they aren't manufactured anymore. So I decided to design a belt. Now, I will meter and calculate it. I am gonna girth. Belt length is 375 mm. Teeth pitch is 7.5 mm. Number of teeth is 50. Okay, then let's produce it. I am gonna make a CAD model of this thing. And 3D printing. It is a flexible plastic. I would say that very acceptable result. I am gonna put it in the machine. It is running smoothly that it is absolutely indistinguishable. Now it is time to hook timing. We need to pay attention to is the timing between the needle and the hook. The bottom mechanism has a timing issue. We need to fix. The hook is going back far enough, so here's back. It is in a proper position where we want to make sure that Make sure everything looks good. Let's try. I think this is actually a permanent solution.